All right, so today we are gonna hopefully put an end to this Butler's Pantry. We're gonna have to case out this door, trim it out. We're gonna put down some base molding. We're gonna finish the wainscoting that comes down this wall, put the chair rail in the den, and then some shoe molding down, and then hopefully the den will be finished. This room will be finished. This hallway will be finished. We know the bathroom over there is finished, but it's been a long time coming. I think the wet bar actually that this used to be, we started probably, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, I think. And so now it's finally wrapping it up. But first, let's go make some, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna mortise the door.
Yeah.
And the door jamb.
But first, let's go mortise the door and the door jamb.
It's not my jam.
It's not my jam.
I like honey.
I like honey.
It's not the lips.
It's not my jam. I don't buy jam. I buy honey, and I kiss it on the lips.
So they are offsetting the frame portion from the door portion by 1/8 of an inch.
Like in?
Like down. So you
Down.
have an 1/8 of an inch clearance at the top.
Oh, you're saying at the top, between the
Right.
door and the top of it.
Right. So rather than measuring down 7 inches to the top of your hinge, you would measure down 7 1/8 inches to the top of your hinge on this jamb portion.
7
And 1/8.
and 1/8. There goes something. Well, I hope that worked.
Oh, it worked. I just hope it was
That's
right.
true. Hope it's correct.
Looks great.
Okay, we don't check the last one.
No, it was really good to me. I would go with it.
Try that.
The top's still gonna hit. Yeah. It's because it rolls in.
Alright, try that.
Alright. Okay. You're right though, in the middle we need some shimming. At the top we do not need any shimming. I'm gonna hand you the shims.
Shims.
You hand me the nail gun. Really though, it looks better. I think I'd shove that in a little more and I'd probably back out the screw just a tiny bit at the top.
Okay, now close the door. Tell me if you like that gap. What?
It's a fabulous gap actually. That's not bad. I might separate them ever so slightly. There you go. Ready? I'm gonna push.
Well, hold on. Shoot here. Don't shoot so far towards the edge.
There.
Yeah.
Okay. If we fix the bottom, I think we'll be in business.
Alright, so the very bottom.
Yeah, bottom needs to come out like a 1/4 inch. That could come out a little more. It's not bad. I mean, you could push it just a tiny bit more. It's super hard to adjust with it flopping like that.
Okay.
All right, let's see. I'd buy that. It looks good. It all looks good.
If you're good, I'm good.
I think doorstop will cover it just fine.
Good?
Yep.
That'll work. Lunchtime. I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, why didn't you make the door swing inward? Like, that's the way all doors should swing. So the option for us was to swing it in this way, which wouldn't make any sense because then you'd have to close the door to get in and hit the light switch, which is over here on the right. So that wasn't an option. The other option was swing it into the left. Well, the problem with that is the sink is right there. So again, in order to use the sink, you'd actually have to close the door and then actually use the sink, and then you'd be in this room in either direction the door swing, if it swung inward, by yourself. So I thought, just swing it out, go in, do whatever you have to do, turn the light on, turn it off, come out, close said door. Activity complete. What a mess. What a mess.
Nice.
Time for some base mold. 16 and 7/16.
Don't let those hinges squeak.
It curled! Too long, too long. Third time might be a charm. Time to put some wainscoting up. Wainscoting.
Sewing.
Scolding.
Sewing.
Another question is, did I make this right? Yeah, it's gonna work.
Feels like a very long time ago we were sanding that stuff.
Well, it was a very long time ago we were sanding this thing. It was a really long time ago.
I did not think it would take us this long.
Yeah, I didn't think it would take us as long either. You are correct. But here we are.
It looks good.
So yesterday we couldn't finish this part of the hallway because we needed to paint this and let it dry because it slips in here. And it would have made a mess against this piece of trim if I had done it when it was wet.